Well. Okay, y'all watched that episode of Jeopardy. Karen Farrell whipped that ass again today. Okay, 5 days in a row she whipped that ass. Okay, so we gonna see her in Jeopardy Tournament of Champions. Okay, win or lose tomorrow. Okay, win or lose, we gonna see Karen in the Tournament of Champions. Okay, we need some more people to win 5 games or more. Okay, whoever defeat Karen should win 5 or more games after that, like Buzzy Coin did. Okay, so don't be like Alex Corral and lose to a genius or whatever, you know. So because you know what, Alex defeated Stephen Gray, okay, to face off against a Jeopardy sports gambler, okay. I call him James Holzhauer a Jeopardy sports gambler because he did all the chips, okay. So anyway, I must say though, I mean, when Alex Trebek was trying to have Jason Zuffernary to do the push, and then Jason Zuffernary said it's not like what James used to do. Okay, I know he's aware about James. You know, he's definitely aware about James. I'm certain that he watched a few episodes with James Holzhauer. Okay, did he? Who knows? Okay. He's definitely aware about James Holzhauer. So on that note, James Holzhauer won the Tournament of Champions. I knew that was going to happen in Jason Zuffernari's season. You know, in Jason Zuffernari's season. Okay, so we all know that Jason Zuffernary gonna win the next Tournament of Champions. I hope and pray that he do. Okay. Because if James Holzhauer won this Tournament of Champions, let's see about Jason Zuffernary, okay? Yes, indeed. Jason Zuffernary on going to Jeopardy history books, or the game show history books. Well, who knows, okay? So Ken Jennings are already in the history books, and I'm certain David Madden is in it too, you know, because James Holzhauer was in another game show before Jeopardy, you know. So I didn't even know that. What was the name of that game show? We'll figure it out, okay? Yeah, we will definitely figure it out. I think it came on GSN if I'm not mistaken, you know. Okay, so did it came on GSN, Game Show Network? Well, we'll find out, you know. Okay, first it was Game Show Network, then they changed it to just GSN. And then it's Game Show Network again. I call it both, Game Show Network and GSN. Okay, so they was showing reruns of Jeopardy on GSN. I'm glad they don't, because they don't show Price is Right on GSN no more. Okay, that was way before I got digital cable. You know. All right, now back to Karen though. Okay, so she's gonna be in the Tournament of Champions, and this is for you, Karen. Okay, I knew you was gonna win the day. I knew that. Okay, so win or lose, we gonna see you in the Tournament of Champions. Win or lose, I guarantee that. Okay, everybody, I guarantee Karen gonna be in the Tournament of Champions. I guarantee that. Okay, and I guarantee Jason Zuffernary gonna win the Tournament of Champions. I guarantee that. You know. Just like I guaranteed that James Holzhauer was going to win the Tournament of Champions. And if y'all watch my past videos from years ago, I predicted that Ciara and Russell Wilson was going to get married, you know, and have a baby and stuff like that. So I guaranteed that. And guess what? It happened. Okay? So let's see whoever defeat Karen, let's see if that person is going to win 5 games and join her in the Tournament of Champions. But it ain't going to be no rematch on that, you know, because there was supposed to be a Buzzy Coin and Andrew Powell rematch, but guess what? Buzzy Coin maintained his crown, you know. He sure did maintain his belt, you know. So now Karen got 5 wins under her belt, okay? As we all know, okay? All right, let's tune in tomorrow and let's see what the heck's gonna happen, okay? All right, that's all right? Bye-bye.